Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel the MCA. Students, in this video, I will solve a 35 marks Java programming question on TCS IPA exam. On the previous video, I have solved another 35 marks question. So this question is similar to the previous video's question. So if you don't have this video, then click on the I button to see the video first, and then see this video. Then you will understand better how to solve this question. Okay. So if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So let's begin. Here given, create the class music with the below attribute: song ID in parameter type, title string parameter type, artist again string parameter, and duration is double. The above attribute should be private. So in the music class, every attribute should be private. So I will write private in song ID, private string title, private string artist, and private double duration. Then we write parameterized constructor and then guitar setter method. So first we write this part, and after that in the main method we will create first a scanner class and then include the music class to give the user input. So I'm writing this. After that we will create the constructor. Now we will create the guitar setter method. Hold on. Now we include the music one plus in the main method and take the user input. See, there are five data: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I am giving the size of the music array is 5. Now we take the user input. Now in the given question, there are two static methods: find song duration for artist and get song in ascending order. So in the first question, first static method, find song duration method, the method will take two input parameters of song object and string parameter, and it will return the sum of song duration from the array of the song object for the given artist. So the string parameter is equal to the string artist. Okay. So I'm giving the name of this static method is fun1. And here two inputs are passed, m and another parameter art. And I'm taking the input art equal to is dot. Next line. And the output should be a sum of the song duration. That means it's an integer parameter. Now we create the static method of fun one. Parameters are passed. First one is music. Second one, a string name A. For I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. If the artist attribute with equivalent to the string A parameter, then the sum will be increased. See in the question, the method will return the sum of song duration. So in this question, I am writing here, if mi dot get artist dot equal signal case A, then I am giving a parameter int sum equal to 0, sum equal to, if they are equivalent, then sum equal to mi dot get duration. Okay, if it obviously return a sum value. Therefore, if ans1 not equal to 0, then it should return the ans1 object. Okay, otherwise it will return there are no songs with given artist. See here, don't mistake the spelling of this sentence. Okay, now in the second static method, get songs in ascending order. In this method is given, this method will take input parameters array of song object and string parameter. The method will return song object array in ascending order of their duration from the array of song object whose artist attribute matches with the input string parameter. So the artist attribute will be matched with the given parameter, okay, the string parameter. So I am taking another string, it's also be artist, but it's not match with the art, because see, in the given sample input and output, there are the two inputs are passed. Okay, so in the second, I'm writing string r2 equal to sc dot next line, and it will return see ascending order of the duration. The sample input is Justin Timberlake. So match with the data. The first ID is this, second ID is this, and third ID is this. You see here, okay, the method will return the song object array in ascending order of their duration. Oh, okay. So ascending of their duration, that means first duration is 4, third one, second one is 3, and third one is 5. So ascending order means 250 is first, 2150 is second, and 120 is third. See, okay. So I'm writing here. It will return the music object, music of array object. Okay. So music, since it's return music array object, so I'm writing, okay, now I'm create the static method of the fun2 object, fun2 function. So private get artist equals ignore case B, then it will be added in a new array. And then if they are equivalent, then first we increase the size of the array. Now I have to sort the new array. So how to sort? I'm writing here is the sorting method. Now if music dot length greater than 0, sorry, music add dot length, add dot length greater than 0, then it will return the array, otherwise it will return null. This is the sorting method. Okay, now see here, if ans2 not equal to null, get duration. Okay, otherwise else it will return same line. Same line is given in the question. Okay, it's the second answer, so you cut it and paste here. So the whole program is completed. Okay, so I am running this program. This is the sample input. I see the output 8, 250, this and this. Okay, now here it's given 8.0 and you gave 8. Okay, that means the output, the first output is not integer type. This is the double type. In this double, then in the fun one, you can write here double. Now again, okay. See, this is the output. For the second sample out input, there are no songs with given artist and there are no songs with a given artist. Okay, the sample outputs are matched with this output. So this program is done. If you have any question, please comment in the comment section below. And if you don't understand this process, then again see this video completely. So share this video and like this video. And again, if you are new in my channel, then subscribe my channel to see the upcoming videos and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.